Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a camera performance comparison between HTC U12 Plus and Nokia 8 Sirocco smartphone. So we will see a few images captured on both of these devices, and you will decide by yourself that which device is better in terms of camera performance. On the left hand side there will be an image captured on HTC U12 Plus, and on the right hand side there will be an image captured on Nokia 8 Sirocco. All of these images, they are captured on auto mode, and there are no changes made in the camera settings or any particular mode is selected. So let's have a look on the image samples and let's see that which device is better in camera performance. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks, and hands-on videos like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.